I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can fix Discord's black screen error. So basically what this error is, if you guys open Discord, you're going to see nothing but black screen. This happens to some people. So if you're one of those people, then this video is just for you. So let's start the video and watch this video until the end without skipping so you guys can not get confused on how you guys can fix this problem. The first way what you can do is close Discord like this. Like right click on Discord, close Discord normally. After closing a Discord normally, basically what you can do is click on this, click on this arrow icon over here at the bottom right. Then right click on Discord and click quit Discord. Basically what this is going to do is this is going to close Discord. Even running in background, it's going to close Discord and it's not going to be running on your background. Now open Discord again. And it has opened. That's one way to fix it. But if it still doesn't fix your problem, basically what you can do is right click on Discord icon on your desktop. And then click on properties at the bottom. Once you're at your properties, go to where it says compatibility. Once you're in your compatibility, click on this button where it says run this program in compatibility mode for. Once you tick mark it, click on where it says Windows 8. Now you gotta select where it says Windows 7 Service Pack 2. Alright, you want to click on where it says Windows 7 Service Pack 2. Once you click on it, what you want to do is click on where it says apply and OK. Now after doing that, basically what you want to do is open Discord again and this should fix your problem. And the last option is if both of this trick doesn't work, just delete Discord and reinstall it again. That should probably fix it. So yeah, that's the solution on how you guys can fix this problem.